Hello and welcome to day 26, Yankee Doodle. Check out measure 2 where it has a slur. So you're going to be playing ta 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 da. Really soften that, or you can go ta 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 without any emphasis or articulation on the second note at all. So it sounds pretty smooth. I'll play the melody the first time and the harmony the second time. I'll give 2 counts, then 2 counts of silence before you come in. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony. 1, 2. Make sure you practice before you perform. I don't have that luxury right now. So always practice the most difficult measures so that way when you perform in front of people you can play it smoothly. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. And practice it not just through, but practice specific spots surgically so you'll get just that part right and then you can put it all together. If this video helped you or you had fun playing along, accent the like button, as the boys say, and have a great day.